The continuous need to exchange data and information is vital for today's towns and cities. The pulsing brain of modern communication are data centers. Perfectly integrated into the urban landscape, their hidden activity is comparable to the nervous system of the human body. The functions of a data center are highly critical and require systems designed for total reliability. Cooling systems are absolutely essential for the correct functioning of a data center, playing an important role on its energy consumption. With 40 years of leadership in the cooling world, Climaveneta answers these needs with a comprehensive range of solutions that represent the state-of-the-art technology in data centers of any dimensions. The world of information and communication technologies differs from other markets for the fast evolution of its technologies. Civil infrastructures and their mechanical plants can't be modified so easily to accommodate such changing needs. This is the reason why modern data centers should be designed to meet the fast-changing demand for power and performance. Climaveneta provides modular cooling solutions that allow for growth with minimal structural impact. They also offer specific technological solutions for maximum efficiency at any heat load density. Due to the unavoidable growth of computing demand, the design of a typical data center usually requires a low-density heat load and hot and cold aisles. This configuration provides a good balance between capital expenditure and cooling efficiency. The heat generated by servers goes straight to the Climaveneta cracker units located on the perimeter. They cool the air and deliver it under the raised flooring, allowing the cold air to be distributed where it is needed in the room. Then cold air can easily reach the front of the rack. This solution is simple. It requires minimal investment and is highly flexible, so that growth and expansion can be managed with little structural impact. The first evolution toward high-density applications can be achieved by medium-density aisles. Medium-density aisles are created by a containment system that concentrates the cold air from the floor to the rack and provides a constant and consistent airflow. This solution requires a low investment and provides additional energy savings up to 15%. The opportunity to reach the highest efficiency allows an answer to the fast-growing demand of data computing by limiting the heavy costs that a new infrastructure does require. This creates concentrated areas of servers with higher and higher performances. The management of high heat densities is a problem that can be efficiently solved by the solutions provided by Climaveneta. Rack coolers are high-efficiency cooling elements that can be used in the most critical situations. Each rack cooling unit cools a part of the cold corridor or even one single rack. A special version of the rack cooler, called enclosure, provides cooling inside the rack at the highest efficiency. In this way, servers are autonomous and receive the right amount of cooling regardless of their position in the data center. These units can be adapted both to chilled water and direct expansion versions. Another solution is the cooling door. This device has been designed to be installed directly behind the server rack. The airflow, once heated from the servers, passes through the cooling coils of the back door, so that the cooling happens close to where the heat has been generated. What's more, the cooling door has electronically controlled fans to perfectly modulate the cooling capacity according to the actual heat load. Because the footprint of the door is minimal, these can easily provide an increase in the cooling power installed in the server rooms. The flexibility of Climaveneta's technologies allows users to manage high and low densities of power loads in different areas within the same efficient and growing data center. Climaveneta for data center. the milestone of green cooling technology.